Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can simply pin Steam games to Taskbar in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to settings, and then you need to find where is your Steam location. Many times it's going to be in File C, Program Files, or D, Games, Steam, and then you want to find Steam Apps. And when you are in the Steam Apps, just click Common. And when you're in a Common, you're gonna select the games here. And let's say I'm going to like open Counter-Strike, CSGO, or Shape.io. Yep. And we see right here the application. You can also like see the X here, Shape.io.x, and just right click on it and pin to taskbar. So that's it. All you have to do is go to Steam Apps, Common, and then just choose a game, find an X file, starting, and this is how you do it. And this is how we can easily pin Steam games to taskbar in Windows 10. Thank you everybody, have a great day, and if you have any questions about Steam or gaming at all, ask me. Have a great day and goodbye.